Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So here is a package from the Samsung itself. Let's quickly open it and let's see what is the box content of this secure packing done by the Samsung. Here is the inside one box. Let's cut this tape. Let's cut it. You can see barcode is here for the scanning to give the feedback of this packing. Here is written Samsung. Here is our invoice. Total 5,000 rupees is MRP. Okay. Now here is our product, the Galaxy Buds Code in black and other color is white. Here is some information like manufacturing, QR code for app download, etc. Okay. Now let's fill this sticker and let's see what is the box content. Let's quickly fill this sticker. One is removed. Now this is the second one. Yeah, got it. You have filled now. Let's see what is the box content. Let's open it. Here is, you can see the box inside a box, one box. Let's pull out. On the top, our product itself with black color. I have ordered in black color. You can order in also white color. Nothing inside. Let's keep it aside. Okay. Now let's see what is the box content. Here is our main product, main Galaxy Buds Code. Okay. We'll go afterwards. Let's see the box content. At the bottom compartment, you get a user manual. Okay. There is a user manual. Read it before using it, or I will show the demo. Okay. Small manual. You can read it. Okay. Let's check the top compartment of this product. Top compartment, it has two boxes, black boxes. One is wings and other one is earbuds, ear tips or earbuds, ear tips buds. There is a wings attached in the earbuds. There is a wings, additional pair wings. One is attached, there is the additional one. Two pair means one is attached and this one is another. Okay, let's keep it aside. And here is the ear tips, which you can adjust according to your ear canal. Large, small, and medium. Medium is already natural. This is small and large. Okay, mesh type. You can see. Nice quality. Okay. So this is the box content. Box content this is. So let's move to the our main product. Let's see the design and build quality of this product and the first look of this product. Wow, it's very shiny. Yes, but easily stretchable. I can notice easily fingerprint. Here is a charging there without wireless charging. It is supported. No wireless charging. Here is a Type-C port. Okay, and some BMS, nothing inside. Then branding, Samsung branding on the top. Let's open the lid. Here is our two buds with charging indicator showing pairing mode. Okay, you can see easily fingerprint is attached, but build is solid. I like it. We'll get the build or design afterwards. Very compact. Okay. Now let's check the build quality and design. Design is good and build of the buds and the case is good. I will rate 4.5 out of 5 if I rated the design and build quality. Here is the two buds. Here is a touch sensor. You can see here the mics are there. Okay. Some in-ear detection light and the pogo pins of this. Okay. One makes sure that buds are IP54 rated, but case is not. Okay. Now let's put the buds inside the case. Okay. Yeah. Now it is put. Now let's close the lid. Okay. You can see here is a BIS mark at the bottom. Please make sure that it is do not support wireless charging. Now let's have a case for this our buds. I have chosen a transparent case. You can easily get from the Amazon. Okay, just type Galaxy Buds Core case. You can easily get it. Okay, now it's all set. Okay, now let's move to the app support. How it pairs and app features. You can see here. Now it is already in charging mode. For the first time, if pop-up not permitted, hold for 3 seconds. It will automatically goes to the pairing mode. Here you can get the pop-up in the Samsung phone. Just connect it. It will auto download a app in the phone. Okay, now it's connected. Now go to the wearable app. Okay, you can see here it is connected now. The Galaxy Buds Core. Okay, now let's move to the wearable app and let's download some software in it. Let's have a look. There is a wearable app. Go to the inside the wearable app and there is some. You have to add a plus sign, then add. You can see the Galaxy Buds Core is appearing. It will auto download for the first time. I will skip this part for the fast forwarding it. Okay, it automatically pull the 100%. It will download a software. Now it's all done. Our Galaxy Buds are successfully installed software. Okay. Accept all the agreement. Okay. Accept all the agreement. Agree. And you're good. You are all set. Okay. There is some check. There is some tips you can easily follow, like check your earbud fitting, touch controls. I will show the touch controls afterwards. Okay, like tap and hold, double press, triple press, etc. Okay, you can go to the settings and change here according to your preference. Okay, but make sure that my phone is not supported AI, so it will show digital assistant if your phone is not supported AI. Okay, decline call, etc. You can adjust your preference. Okay, so here is a widgets one and pairing, how you can pair. I've already shown now. Okay, so regularly clean your buds for the best sound output. Okay, here is the tips and here is the active noise cancellation, etc. Here is the touch controls. I have already shown you. Okay, touch and hold. Here is the functions. Okay, like volume down, volume up, etc. Switching ANC mode, etc. Okay, here are touch controls and there is a earbud settings like equalizer, earbud fitting, read noise, active noise, ambient noise for the calls. Okay, etc. Earbud for the callings in ear detection, seamless earbud in the, if you have other Galaxy devices, you can build a ecosystem. Here is a earbud software. Okay, software. Here is a about section. Okay, for the equalizer, you don't have customized equalizer, it is preset equalizer. Okay, so that's it. For the lab support, it is supported in gaming mode like in the Samsung phone only. Okay, let's, you can on the like reading notifications, etc. Like accessibility, I have already shown you. Okay, find my buds. If you play it, it will play a loud sound. You can hear quite loud. You can easily find it. Okay, so here is the active noise cancellation, etc. And here you can see the your paired device with left and right and charging in this. Okay, like you can search here, etc. Okay, so I will get 4.5 out of 5 in the app support. Okay, now let's For CAN information, I will say that it support SSC codec, Samsung Seamless codec. Those who don't know, it supports Samsung Seamless codec. Okay, in the Samsung device only. Now let's talk about the sound and bass. So talking about the bass, it is very soft and soothing. The mids and highs are very clear. Instrumental separation is good. You can get every note in it. If you have used Oppo Enco AR3 Pro, it is just a upgraded version. So I will rate sounds and bass quality 4.5 out of 5. Okay. Now let's move to the ANC and transparency mode. So talking about ANC and transparency mode, ANC is very good. It almost cancels 45 dB to 50 dB. It is effective, and transparency mode is very natural. It seems like you don't wear a pair of buds. So I will rate 4.5 out of 5. So let's move to the charging department of it. So let's talk about the charging department. It takes 1.5 hours to full charge 0 to 100%, and each bud gives 6 hours of battery life in single charge. The case, it goes 35 in total. So if you listen to the SCC codec, it will give around 28 to 30 hours playback time. So I will rate 4.5 out of 5. Now let's move to the mic test in the indoor condition and outdoor condition. So here is a sample of the mic test.
So here is a sample from Galaxy Buds Core in the indoor condition, so you can get the idea how it sounds. In the room, fans are turned off. Let's switch on the fan and see the noise cancellation, how it cancels the noise. Let's turn on the fan. See how it cancels the noise. So overall, I will rate 7 out of 10 in the indoor condition. Now let's move to the outdoor condition. So here is a sample from Galaxy Buds Pro in the outdoor condition. So you can hear the noise, how it cancels out in the outdoor condition. The traffic level is light and water, so you can get the idea how it sounds. Overall, I will rate 7 out of 10.
So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like my video. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Core, it is available in the Samsung shop or in Amazon. You can directly check out from there. In the offer section, it will also go near 4,000. You can grab it easily. So I will rate overall 4 out of 5 of this from my perspective. Okay, so thanks for watching once again. Do subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, bye.